This slideshow will help us understand the literary element motif. A motif is any recurring image, topic, object, or idea that an author uses to help develop a theme. These repeated motifs help readers to comprehend the underlying messages that writers intend to communicate to them. So let's take a look at a popular story that is familiar to a lot of people, the movie The Wizard of Oz. One motif in the movie The Wizard of Oz is the repeated idea or image of home. For example, The Wizard of Oz begins with Dorothy being torn away from her home and ends with her returning to it. Between these two events, she often talks about getting back to Uncle Henry and Auntie Em in Kansas. Dorothy is determined to get back home, and just before returning, she declares there's no place like home. But the idea of home is not only associated with Dorothy. The Scarecrow, the Tin Man, and the Lion are also associated with the idea of home. They voluntarily leave their homes to help Dorothy find her way back to hers. By leaving their homes, they discover things about themselves that they would not otherwise have known. So the motif helps develop a theme of the story. By leaving their homes, the four characters discover talents they did not know they had. The Scarecrow, when he leaves the cornfield, learns he has intelligence, even though he said he did not have a brain. The Tin Man leaves his wooded cottage and learns he has the ability to love, even though he said he did not have a heart. And the Lion leaves the forest, where he discovers he is brave, even though he said he was a coward. Dorothy learns she always had the power to return home to Kansas, even though she thought she could not. The motif of home helps develop the theme of the movie. By experiencing the world outside our comfort zones, we can discover who we are as individuals. So think of another story you like. What motifs are found in it, and how do they help develop the theme? By using our new knowledge of motifs, we can enrich our reading experience.